Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do this colorful Valentine's look, and I've already prepped my eye with concealer and powder, and I'll be using this tape to make sure that there is a clean cut on this look, and I'll be using these stickers that I bought from Hobby Lobby as a stencil. And I'll be applying the hearts in a form of a cut crease. Alright, so we're going to jump into the James Charles palette, and I'll be using both of these shades as the first color, and that shade is going to go on the hearts and a little bit above. Next, I'll be jumping into the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and I'll be using this shade right under the first color. Now we're going to take this shade and we're going to add that underneath the previous color. Alright, now we're going to jump back into the James Charles palette, and we're going to mix these two colors and add it underneath the last color. And I'll be taking this color to blend out the pink, that way there are no harsh edges. Now I'll be taking this shade for the inner corner. Next, we're going to add a wing to this look, and I'm going to leave the tape on so I can shape the wing a little better. Alright, now it's time to take the tape off and gently peel off the heart with tweezers. Now I'm going to prep the under eye to finish off this look. Now, without adding more product, I'm just going to use this brush I used and use whatever's left to add the color under my lower lash line. And now I'll be extending the wing because I feel this look needs it. And I'll be adding mascara and lashes to this look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching.